Hi mom, hi sir. My name is Jane Balandra. I am from Philippines. I am single. I don't have children yet. My highest educational attainment is I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration. My hobbies are cooking, playing sports, and many more. I have an experience here in Philippines as a factory worker. After that, by 2010 and 2012, I work abroad as a domestic helper in Qatar. My work there is household and to take care of kids, the twins. And after finish my contract, I go in Oman by 2013 to 2015. My work there is a new baby born again to take care of kids and cooking. After that, I go to Hong Kong by 2016 and 17. My work there is to take care of elderly and cooking, cleaning, and car wash. After finish my contract by Hong Kong, I go in Turkey by 2018 and 2024 last year. My work there is cleaner for the household and to take care a new baby born again and three kids. Then after that, I go home here in the Philippines. Then now, I want to work in Hong Kong. I want to sustain and to provide to my family. I'm willing to take care of a new baby born, children, or elderly. I can also sing a nursery rhyme. So I give you an sample for singing for nursery rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So please, my future employer, please choose me as your housemate, and I promise to give you all my best and what I can do, and to my previous employer. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.